welcome to my channel. What is the kitchen now? Oh, so let's see. Okay. Hey fam, welcome to my home. Yes. Today I just want to show you how I spend my weekends. Okay, today is Saturday and it's currently around 9:30. Okay, usually on Saturdays I cook, right? So I just want to take you guys along. Okay, I'm going to prepare a lot of things today. Okay, so just stay tuned, follow me to my kitchen as I cook. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so guys, I'm about to start cooking. Okay, today I'm going to do I'm going to be filming. Okay, aside the filming, I'm going to cook some things for myself too. So for my channel, I'll be filming banana oatmeal. Did I just say banana oatmeal? Oatmeal banana bread. Okay, yes, that one you see it on my channel maybe on Sunday later on. I can't really tell. So that's why I have my banana here, and I got some things for. I'm going to prepare a goosey soup today and also some fried rice. So I just went out to get some of the things. So I would like to show you. I got this pepper from the African market. I just need a little because it's very hot. Okay, and I got oil from the African market. Guys, African markets, things are really expensive when you go there, but you can't blame them. And I bought this egusi. I actually wanted more than this, but then I thought it would be plenty, but when it came it was just small. And if you are like me, usually I don't like buying the powdered egusi because I feel like they have some kind of particles in it. I don't really understand this, and I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe I'll just take them off, but then I think it's advisable to get your own egusi and then grind them. And I got some spinach too here for the egusi. This thing is very small though. I cannot get a lot of soup from this, but anyways, I'll just try with it. I got some detergent for washing, and if you know me and you're on this channel follow, you know I like my chicken spice, this brand. I got some fish, some spring onions for the fried rice, some onions, and then some green peppers for the fried rice, and also carrots, right? Ginger, chicken, red bell pepper, garlic, another chicken spice. Yeah, basically that's it. For the other ingredients, I already have them, so I didn't buy them. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be cleaning my vegetables. Okay, so yeah, before I want to clean everything and prep everything before I start cooking. So that's basically what I'm about to do. This is not like a tutorial, it's just a vlog. So bear with me if you don't see something. Anyways, I know most people don't like scraping their carrots, but I just like scraping it after washing. Okay, so guys, I'm done peeling everything. Okay, so what I do is, after doing it this way, I have to add my vinegar to it and then wash it once more. Then that's it. We all know we are in the COVID season. So you have to keep everything clean. But basically, this is how I do my own. Okay, just to get rid of every germ. So yeah, let's go to the sink. So yeah. So yeah, this is how I wash everything. Okay, this time, let me just pour the water. Wow, even I've not blended the pepper and it's still entering my throat, then it's going to be very hot. After washing, I'm going to separate these things. Okay, so now it will be left with the onions and the pepper here. I'm going to set this aside. I think yeah, so I'm going to cut them into pieces. Yeah, so basically that's it. Let me get my plate. So guys, I'm going to use this one for the fried rice. That's why I'm cutting it slightly this way. So you can cut it into any shape that you want. Okay, so guys, don't mind the way I'm cutting it anyhow. Okay, me, I'm not showing you my cooking skills today, my cutting skills. It's just me in the house doing it the way I want to do it. Okay, yeah. Some people will be like, oh, it's not the same, the shape is not the same and all that. Like, I'm cooking for myself, so I'm just going about it how I want it. Nothing really special. Okay, so guys, how have you guys been? I know it's been long since I posted a video. Life happened. Okay, like I've been so busy of late, but anyways, I'm back for good. Okay, yes, I'll be sharing my recipes with you now. I hope so far you guys are enjoying my recipes on YouTube. Okay, if you watch any of my videos and you don't understand anything, just send me a private message. Okay, I think I'll be posting my emails here in my description, so if you have any question at all, or you can suggest anything that you want me to prepare on my channel, okay, you can suggest it to me and then I will do that. Yeah, I think I should tell you guys a little bit about myself. Okay, I feel you guys are family now. Maybe you may not know some of the things about me. I'm a Ghanaian, okay, here in Ukraine. I'm a student here in Ukraine, a medical student. I'm in my final year now, so you now understand why I said I'm a little bit busy. Okay, I do YouTube. I'm in my final year. I also have my business at the side. For the past 2 weeks, everything has been on hold because school just resumed. Okay, so yeah, basically life just happened and we are COVID. I'm a bit free today, so I was like, why don't I show you guys how my weekends usually is like. So basically, this is me. I usually cook on Saturdays. Okay, if I have any meal prep, I just do everything on Saturday. That doesn't mean that my Saturdays are free. They are not, because I have a meeting by 2 and also I have to be in church. I'm a chorister, so we usually have rehearsals every Saturday 5 p.m. so I have to be done cooking when I'm cooking for my customers, and it's plenty. Today is just me cooking my own food, okay, so it's normal. But if I'm cooking for customers, I have to make sure that I finish by 5. Yeah, so yeah, basically that's it. Guys, is it just the cooking that you guys would like to be seeing, or you like to see other dimensions? Like recently I started working out. I don't know if you guys would want me to take you guys along. Would you like me to vlog more, or I should just maintain the cooking? I feel I should venture other aspects too. What do you think, guys? But mainly I want to focus on the cooking. Okay, now I want to be a bit consistent. I'll try as much as possible to be consistent, even though sometimes you can't really tell because school can actually take most of your time, but we'll manage. So yeah, I think maybe I should be doing story time because I think I have a lot of stories to tell you guys. My most embarrassing moment. I remember when I was in senior high school. I'm going to hold that one for a story time. Maybe when I'm having a mukbang or something. I'll just be creative, okay? Because I have a lot of stories to tell you guys. But let's see how it goes. I'm not a good storyteller, even though I have things to tell you. But I hope you guys will manage it like that. Yeah. So like I told you, I'm going to be making some banana oatmeal banana bread. So I'm done preparing everything for the soup and the fried rice. I want to set them aside and then set my ingredients for the oatmeal banana bread. Okay, so I can film that one before I continue with this cooking. So whilst it's in the oven, I can be able to start cooking with these ones. Yeah, so before I start filming, I usually prep everything before. Okay, so I have to blend my oats because I need it in the powder form to be able to make my banana oatmeal. So I'll blend it, then later I'll measure. That way I'll be able to know the amount that I have to use. My blender and everything is clean, so don't worry about that. And also I have just one blender, so I wanted to blend the oat before I start blending pepper and all these things. Every time confess and this coconut oil. So instead of margarine, I'm going to use coconut oil, you know. In fact, this is a vlog. You will see the tutorials of my channel soon, so no need to even explain. Yeah, I want to melt it, that's why I'm taking it from here to this place. So guys, this is what I do behind the scenes before I start filming the recipe. Okay, so I'm measuring all my ingredients. So you all don't see the behind the scenes. This is what goes through. This is what we go through behind the scenes here. Yeah. I need 2 cups of this. Yeah, wow, it's exactly 2 cups actually. Okay, so yeah, then I'll set it aside. My kitchen is very small, so I usually set everything aside when I'm cooking. Maybe when I get money in future and I build my own kitchen, I can make it big. So these are all the things I'm going to be using. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go now. Okay, so I realized keeping it on the tabletop isn't so presentable, so I decided to keep them here, you know, just to make it look nice at least. Okay, so you see all this struggle, we go through all this struggle just to film a recipe. Well, I'm not complaining, guys. So yeah, I think it's better now. Or what do you think? Should this come here? Or in fact, I think it's okay. Yeah, let's just get started. Yeah, basically that's it. So we are going to start very soon. So let me get ready and then start with the intro. Hello guys. Anyways, let me clear this way. See you later. So I just want to wash my blender so I can blend in my pepper and all that aside the filming. Guys, I'm preheating my oven. Okay, for this recipe you have to preheat your oven before you start baking. You start mixing your ingredients actually. Also, I would like to prepare my baking pan before I start filming actually. You can just apply oil in your pan like that, but I prefer the foil. So I'm just cutting off the excess, okay? And I can actually use my hand. I don't know why I'm really using the scissors. It's slowing me down. Okay. So if you don't like washing bowls like myself, this method is for you. So after cooking, you just lift it over there, that's it. Okay, so yeah, we're about to start filming. Okay. Let's do our intro now. Let me keep my phone aside. I think the arrangement is okay, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm done. Ready to film. See you later. See you later. Yeah, guys, I want to steam my meats, my chicken and my meat for the egusi and my chicken for the fried rice before I start filming because I have a lot of things to do. Okay, so that like I don't waste time. So whilst I'm filming this one can be on fire. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. My kitchen is very small, that's why everywhere is scattered. Bear with me. So yeah, everything is washed, okay? Yeah. Yes. So so there's a mixture of ginger, garlic, and onions. Okay, today I didn't add any seasonings because I've run out of any seasonings. So I'm going to add my chicken spice, just a little, not plenty. I use chicken spice for my beef too as well. Like, I don't use any other. So yeah, after adding my spice, I'm just going to add water. I'll use the chicken stock for the fried rice too, so I want more of it. Yes, I think basically it's okay. I'm going to taste to see if everything is perfect. Okay, I'll do the same for the... I told you guys I also use a chicken spice for my beef. I know you guys will be wondering. It's just my choice, okay? They sell beef spice. You can also use that one, but I just prefer this one. Yeah, everything is perfect, so we're gonna cover it. Yeah, so we are going straight into making the oatmeal banana bread. Okay, so guys, while I wait for my oatmeal banana bread to be ready, I'm going to fry my chicken. The oil is already on fire and I've already prepped this one. Okay, so we're going to start with the egusi. My rice is already on fire for the fried rice. And yeah, basically that's it. I'm just multitasking because I'm way behind schedule. So I'm going to fry my chicken. To test whether your oil is ready, you can just put in a piece, or if you have a wooden spoon, you can just put the tip at the bottom. It's not so ready, so I'm going to leave it here. Let's start with the egusi. This is my palm oil. I got it from the African shop. I don't have nails, that's why I'm using the knife. So yeah, get closer to see what's happening. I think my oil too is ready, so I'm going to fry the chicken. Because I'm using a small saucepan, I'm just going to fry it 3 at a time. Yeah. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to check on my banana bread. So yeah, let's see whether it's ready. I need a toothpick. So are you done? Can I eat it now? I can't wait. Guys, this is so good. You can still eat healthy and enjoy it. Wow. Try it at home, guys. It's actually tasty. Just follow my recipe. You would love it. Like, I'm really enjoying this. Wow. Exactly. Hey fam, welcome to my channel once again. This is a continuation of the vlog. Okay, today is Sunday and I'm about to prepare to go to church. I hope you're also going to church. Yes, you have to go to church, okay, because the Lord has been so good to all of us. So yeah, let me prepare before I get late. Okay, see you later. Bye. Outfits of the day. So I decided to wear an African print. Yeah, I'm a Ghanaian, obviously an African. Yeah, so I'm going to church. I'm almost late. See you guys later after church. Bye.